morning, fam. Shout out to Novus, fam. You know what it is. So this is the before. We're rocking the caddy wheels right now, just so we can get that 4.6 drop. We got the kit in the bag. Got the lowering kit. Ordered it, BELLTECH. Dropped like a fucking whole ass grand on that shit, but it was worth it. Trokiando CUHHH. I'm running on like fucking 4 hours of sleep. I'm still a little like drunk, a little bit. Me hungover, no sé, la neta. Pero andamos tacuacheando CUHHH. Ahorita we're getting some micheladas, we're getting some barbacoa, puro caldito espantamuertos, you know? Oh, it's gonna be fucking fire. It's gonna bring me back to life right now. Shout out to my compa Slow right here. Came all the way from Portland. You already know what's up. Puro Novus, fan. We're about to get this bitch dropped today. And cut.
We got some illegal
activities going on here.
false where in Washington it's legal.
Yeah.
Suck a dick.
It's just like drinking a beer. So we're about to unbox the kit right now that we got from BELLTECH. We got the 4.6 drop kit, lowering kit. Okay. Did you knife? That's a nice knife. That's a real nice knife. Oh yeah. Feels like Christmas, you know, when you run downstairs and you see the fucking big box that you've been looking at the whole month, and you unbox it and it's the fucking Nintendo 64, except this time it's fucking truck parts. I don't know what the fuck this is. What the fuck is this?
Oh no, I ain't gonna put that in. You're supposed to have it
We got some nitrogen pressure twin tube performance shocks. Boom.
Yeah, cool. I'm running out of stocks.
You're running out of stocks? Damn. Well, I got the whole nine, bro. We came out here ready.
It's opening like Christmas present.
Exactly.
Yes.
I'm a little shaky still from last night. Dehydrated as fuck. I didn't stop by and get my fucking electrolyte. So we're probably gonna have a little break here soon and go get that shit too. Cause goddamn. Okay. Instructions. Nobody needs those. Actually, we're probably gonna need those. Let's bring your kid to work day today. Shop dog. When he comes out on the, hey, see, look, yeah. When he comes up on the video, we're gonna say, "Bravo, shop dog." Oh, let's check this out. This right here, this right here, kids. This right here. Shit right here. That's what you go and call that a C notch right there. Look at that. It says, look what it says right there. BELLTECH. We ain't fuck around with these fuck boys. We doing it. Damn, that shit look bad. These those infamous flip kits we call them. Es puro BELLTECH. La trojita blanca me la pela. BELLTECH.
What's the update?
So we had to take off the muffler because we're going suelo cut. Trokiando. That's to be trademarked by Jason. It says right here, please do not use it. If you use it, you will be sued and you'll be fined. So don't use that shit. Trademark at the bottom. You're gonna see it right here. Also, this moment has been brought to you by Modelo Time, fool. Modelo break. We're actually gonna go 4.8, not 4.6.
4.8?
Yeah, acá compa Slow.
God damn.
The ghetto mechanic over here.
Harbor Freight Tools.
Harbor Freight Tools. Yes. So I'm thinking about changing the name on the Cheyenne. I don't want to do Snow White no more because everybody do Snow White. So I'm thinking about doing I don't know, La Buena Suerte, something like that. I don't know. But then I feel like if I name it that, it's gonna jinx it. So let me know. You know what I'm saying? Fuck around, get fuck shit or whatever. Pulled over some shit while I'm out there sipping, and you know what I'm saying?
Whoa, we can't put that in the video.
Yeah, cut. Anyways, but yeah, you know, it's bad luck. I don't want to jinx it. But maybe you guys should help me rename it. You know, comment below and let me know what y'all think. That nigga is savage, bro. No face mask, no gloves, no protection, nothing, just
raw. He's going in raw.
Just raw dogging the shit out of my Chevy right now. So, we're gonna do the C-notch right now. Well, slow motion, because I'm just, chilling right now. I'm making sure, I pass him this, I pass him that. I'm the go-getter right now, pretty much. You always want to make sure that when you're, putting in some work, you stay hydrated. That's very important. You might, because you might just pass out. You want to do that mid C-notch. It's horrible. But see, you gotta have some chalk on deck, because you gotta, line it up. You gotta know where you're gonna cut. You don't want to just cut some of the, but what did I cut?
Look at that precision. Technique.
Flawless. It's like symmetrical, bro. Like it's just like if I put a ruler there, bro, it'll be straight, bro. That's how good it is, bro. That's crazy. I got the best mechanic in town right now, Compa Slow. I wouldn't let anybody else touch my truck. Yeah, right. She's a fucking celeste. Let me put mano. So, check this out. Come here. So I don't know if you guys saw that before, but it's in high. It's a stupid angle like that, but that's what they're meant to be. Because you load shit in the back, so it has to have that little space and a little cushion. But like this is how we gonna be sitting though. I'm gonna be sitting dirt nasty low. I mean, look at this. Like, I can barely fit the modelo down there. See that? I can barely fit the modelo right there. That's pretty fucking low, dude. I mean, how big's a modelo? Like a couple inches, like that,
About 2 inches.
About 2 inches. Yeah, if you zoom in, zoom out.
2 inches, bro.
Huh?
It's way more than 2 inches.
I know. It's like I don't know. It's like 12 ounces. Sun's coming out. We're at an undisclosed location. See over there, I mi vacas. The one on the right, her name's Betsy. She's kind of wild. Sometimes she likes to jump the fucking fence. And the other nigga over there, that nigga doesn't have a name yet, but we'll just call him a darky because he's black. Like your truck. Cut. That's just stupid.
Why you kick my dog? What the fuck? I caught that on camera, bro. Kick your dog. Calling animal services, my guy.
Man, you're being annoying.
Hey, unas palabras sabias, Jason.
Palabras sabias. Let me tell you if I can save those.
Damn, girl.
Oh, always measure how much vas a bloquear, bro. Si vas a estar bloqueando y troqueando, bro.
Damn, you fucking ripped ass, Roy. God damn it.
If only you guys could smell it.
Cut.
Rollo, get your ass out of here, boy.
Get out the way, cat. Órale, hijo su perra madre, quítese la.
Now vote. Now walk slowly toward the car.
It sucks that they had to cancel. Fuck you, nothing you can't do. Oh no, not Netflix. Fuck you, Disney for fucking. That was the best show you guys had on fucking Netflix. What the fuck's Frank Castle gonna do now? He's gonna be at home just fucking watching like Jerry Springer now and his couch on the side. Alright, here goes the C-notch. For those of you at home that are faking your drops, got those fake drops, this is what a real drop right here looks like, C-notch. You know what I'm saying? Suelo, ma. Suelo, cuz. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it. Step by step, pero la llevamos. ¿Verdad, viejo?
Let me see here.
Oh,
something's wrong here.
excuse me, mother.
Oh, looks tight. Looks tight as fuck.
A few moments later.
Nah, really, my
That shit's just dancing on there, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, but quería suelo cut. Fuck, bro. This shit sucks dick, bro.
Mama.
Jesus Christ. Fuck. Damn it. The fuck? We're certified professionals at its finest. Why the fuck did you keep sliding? I started on top already, huh? Son of a bitch. This is some bullshit. One more time though, let them know, right here. Zoom in on this. Zoom in on this. BELLTECH.
Bro, you haven't even done one hole.
I have, bro. I did one.
Let me see him looks. Let me see him looks.
Hey, Ryder, what the hell you doing?
Keep up, motherfucker. Let's go, bitch.
So far, I haven't been able to just do one straight.
A few moments later.
There it is. That deserves a Modelo drink. Goddamn, my arm feels hold on. Fuck, bro.
Alright, what's the update?
So, we finally were able to penetrate. That's right, penetrate. For all you fucking immature ass motherfuckers at home. We're finally. Oh, I can't talk in the fucking hands.
Too much penetrating.
Too much penetration. Alright, so.
Rollo, get the fuck out of here.
Cut. So, like I was saying, penetration. We fucking did all these holes now. Now we can put this back on over here. This little C-notch. Like a fucking glove, homie.
Rollo, you bastard.
So, we put this back on there now. Nice C-notched. Alright. Holes might be a little off, but that's alright. That's alright. Nobody's perfect. It's the first time doing this anyway, so.
Holy shit.
My canine unit.
Check this out.
Take it.
Well, we still need to put the spindle, no? That's the spindle. No, that's why we put the spindle. Hey, special rare guest prints over there, compa Beto. You're gonna be on YouTube, can I say what's up? Like what channel? Alright, so yeah, check it out. Right here, boom, shocks. The fucking BELLTECH, look at that, BELLTECH, everything. Right here, boom, boom, shocks. The fucking springs. The spindle back here, you can't really see it, but it's back here. But yeah, I just gotta hit the other side, finish up the back. Hopefully we're done here in about 3 hours, and then we go have a look at the back at the ranch.
3 hours.
Say what's up, cuz.
Yo, what up? We out here. Day 2. Team no sleep. Oh, son of a bitch. It's kind of, oh, there we go. Nice.
Oh, I got that on camera, bro.
What the fuck was that?
Put on
What
some
the
fucking
fuck?
glasses, bro.
Shit's just flying everywhere now.
You're gonna get reported by OSHA.
Who the fuck's Ocean?
Alright, so the kit's all done in the back.
Ya se me paró, can you see?
Oh, fuck.
It's dirt nasty low. I'm about to pull up to El Parral and pick up all the skunkas from Kent.
Oh, fuck. What about Monroe's Skunkas?
Monroe, I mean, all area codes. We can 206, 425, 253, 360, 509. Don't forget about the east side. yeah, you should watch the skunkas. Fucking 503 down in Portland. What you know about that? We all over the man, huh?
Nationwide.
Nationwide, worldwide.
International,
Prestige,
bro.
worldwide.
Alright, so Roy just finished putting on everything. Sorry.
It was a horrible day.
2 days. Roy was all alone working on the truck.
I did it all by
He did the
myself.
front and the back.
No thanks to these guys.
Right. Steal these 22s from a crackhead real quick.
Yeah, no.
The Cadillacs didn't fit.
There was a tweaker walking down 112, and I was like, hey, you know what? Fuck it. For $100, let's do it. No questions asked.
Bada bing, bada boom.
You know you had a wallet.
Make sure you guys have an extra pair of chonies at home,
Subscribe.
because as soon as this shit happens, that shit, slap it on, you're gonna get wet.
Oh, mama.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. You gotta check out my boy Slow Customs Automotive. Portland. 45. Acá el compa Slow viene a domicilio all the way to Portland.
That's how you roll your fenders.
That's how you roll.
The ghetto style. You got stuck.
Fuck.
TROKIANDO CUHHH.
Troqueando CUHHH. Puro nuevo spam a la verga, compa. Can't take it home. Tires are too fucking big. Fuck, man. It was 2 weeks. I mean, 2 weeks. What the fuck? Alright, so it was 2 days. Man, special shout out to my boy Slow. Much appreciated, my boy. Ya sabe, aquí estamos al 100 para lo que se le ofrezca. If you guys got some ideas for what I should name my truck, go ahead and comment below. Stay tuned. We're gonna drop a bunch of more shit in this channel. There's gonna be plenty more content. This one might not have been as funny or whatever, you know what I mean? Because it's like, I don't know. I was so out of it yesterday. I was fucking hungover. I lied. I fucking woke up still drunk. There's gonna be a lot of more content coming up. A lot of more videos. There's gonna be funny shit. It's gonna be like updates of like, you know, new headlights coming soon after the wheels. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just stay tuned, man. We're gonna be dropping more shit. Mormons. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. Stay with us for this journey. As the fucking the truck is gonna be fucking just a whole nother fucking thing. It's gonna be a whole new transformation. So shout out to my cousin Brian for letting me borrow his camera and helping out today too. Everybody that helped out today. The homie Alan that came with Slow, the homie Jason, everybody that helped me fucking put this shit together today. Appreciate that. Much love. We out. TROKIANDO CUHHH.